Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print or get your shipping labels on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, all you will be needing to do is to go to your eBay, and from there we can go to the orders from the seller hub and we can get the shipping labels. So here I'm just going to follow this article from the customer savers of eBay. And basically to print shipping label, you will need to simply go to your orders, and from there you can purchase the shipping label so you can add it to your package, and basically you can ship the package to the customer. So simply we can go to the eBay, my eBay, go to selling, and from there you will be needing to go to orders, and in the one awaiting shipment you will be able to buy from them. So basically you would find like your orders here, and you will have an option of uh, selecting purchase shipping label, and basically we need just to add the information about the package, for example the dimensions, the weight, address, and all the necessary stuff. Then you can choose your mailing date from the ship on drop down menu that you will find here, and you will find all things there. And basically you will select your shipping service. It might be an USPS, it might be FedEx, UPS, or whatever. And basically at the end you will need just to choose the label and you click on purchase shipping label. After that you might find them there. So here you can go to shipping labels, so you can manage your shipping labels here. So you can track and manage your shipments from there. And basically that's it. So this is how you can get your shipping labels on eBay. Thank you for watching. See you next time.